right? Apples to apples, you get more for the bang for your buck and get more value while you get bigger machine, better embroidery size, more needles, faster speed for $2,000 to $3,000 less. If you're looking to start a business and you're doing this for profit and not just some hobby, no matter how you slice and dice it, there should be no reason why you would go with a Brother or a Babylock. And I'll tell you exactly why. If you are focused more on just this being a hobby and having, I don't need that many needles or I'm limited on a budget, you do realize that Brother and Babylock, even 6 needle or 10 needle machines, fully upgraded, essentially apples to apples comparison with what we have on a EM1010, it will be around $14,000 to $15,000. And I have actually customers tell me this because when they look at our EM1010, that's $7,999, so right under $8,000. And with 0% financing, that can be as low as $133 per month. But it comes with the stand. It comes with the software. It comes with the hoops. It comes with the cap driver. It comes with the cap rings to do hats. All of those things included in there for only $7,999 versus the exact comparable things for a Brother machine, a Brother 10 needle Entrepreneur Pro. The machine itself is $11,000. Then the cap driver is another $1,500. Oh, you want 2 more cap rings with it? Okay, another $500. Oh, you want the stand with it too? Okay, $700. You want the software, or the digitizing software, included in that? Okay, that's another $1,000. Then you're looking at close to $15,000 for the equivalent of a 10 needle starter embroidery machine, right? Sure, Brother has the bells and whistles of the camera and maybe the auto threading function, but again, if you look at the commercial embroidery world, and that's why the EM1010 is kind of the starter machine in the semi-commercial space. If you look at the commercial embroidery world, nobody does auto threading. One, because it's another layer of complexity that can give a lot of problems from an electronic standpoint, and a lot of technicians have trouble with that. And 2, it's kind of a bells and whistles thing that people can get used to just threading by hand and can be just as good and just as fast, and you remove the layer of complexity of an auto threader that might give you problems, right? So Brother does have the bells and whistles and super user friendly, but the bells and whistles is what adds up all that price, and they don't have a commercial comparable to really do a commercial machine, right? To really do a commercial business with, to have a product that you can run a business with. So on the lower end, if you're comparing apples to apples with EM1010, the 10 needle, with the Entrepreneur Pro or the Entrepreneur 1050X for the Brother, all inclusive and all equal with everything that you get, you're looking at $8,000 versus $14,000 to $15,000, right? So from that perspective, it doesn't make sense. And from the second point of how you want to slice and dice it, if you have the budget of $14,000 to $15,000, you can get a commercial single head machine from Ricoma at $13,000, right? Top of the line with an MT1501, top of the line, you get 5 more needles than the Brother. You get 20% faster speed at 1200 SPM max speed versus a 1000 SPM max speed. You get 11 or actually 12 hoops of different sizes, right? Versus the Brother Entrepreneur, it gives you only 4 hoops of different sizes. You get 22 by 14 embroidery area versus a kind of a 14 by 8 embroidery area. So all of that is like twice the embroidery area, more hoops, faster speed, 5 more needles, comes with everything that's included, right? Apples to apples, you get more for the bang for your buck and get more value while you get bigger machine, better embroidery size, more needles, faster speed for $2,000 to $3,000 less. So either way you slice it, Brother or Babylock versus an EM1010, there's a better value with the EM1010, right? Sure, there's the bells and whistles, but all else being equal, fully loaded Brother versus the EM1010 with everything included, you're getting for 40 to 50% less in price, and therefore you get a lot more value. Or one step above, comparing the Brother 1050X or the Babylock to a 15 needle commercial machine, apples to apples, you get more with a commercial machine for $2,000 to $3,000 less. So either way you slice and dice it, that's how I think about kind of comparing Brother and Babylock or a home embroidery machine versus a fully commercial machine.